welcome to the class. Today we will learn about the clock or the time. Alright. So can you see this? This is the face of the clock. Alright. In a clock we have two hands. One is the shorter one. Another is the long one. Short one, long one. This short one is also known as short hand, is also known as hour hand. Hour hand. Okay. And this long one, long hand, it is known as minute hand. Minute hand. Okay. Now, hour hand shows you the hour. What's the time? And this minute hand shows you the minutes. How many minutes passed or how many minutes to past to, quarter to. Alright. Okay. Now, as you can see here. Okay, first of all, let me tell you. In a day, one day, we have 24 hours. Alright. In a day, there are 24 hours. Now, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Alright. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That means in 1 day we have 24 hours. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 AM. And then again PM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Midnight, noon. Okay. So 1 day is equals to 24 hours. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay. So let us solve some questions from your math practice book. Alright. Now, what time is it on a clock when the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12? Now you have to tell me what will be the time on a clock when the short hand. Okay, let us see what they are saying. They are saying that the short hand is at 4. So here it is 4. So short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12. So the long hand is at 12. Now what is the time? The time is 4 o'clock. Alright. Now, number 4. How much time does the minute hand take to move from 3 to 9? Now, how much time does the minute hand means this long one, minute hand take to move from 3 to 9? So, the minute hand is moving from 3 to 9. From 3 to 9. It is moving from 3 to 9. So how much time will it take? Now this minute hand represents minute. Alright. Now in this gap of these two numbers, as you can see, here we have 5 minutes. Here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. It's like this. There is 5 minutes in between each number. Okay. Remember like this. 5 minutes in between each number. Okay. So now they are saying how much time does the minute hand take to move from 3 to 9? So it's moving from 3 to 9. So 3 to 4 we have 5 minutes. 4 to 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 5 to 6, again 10 plus 5, 15. 6 to 7, again 15 plus 5, 20. 7 to 8, 20 plus 5, 25. 8 to 9, 25 plus 5, 30. So, from 3, if the minute hand comes from 3 and stops at That means it has covered 30 minutes. Okay. Now, how much time does the long hand of a clock take to complete 3 rounds? How much time? Now, how much time does the long hand of a clock take to complete 3 rounds? Long hand means, again, minute hand. Now, 3 round. 3 round. First round, second round, third round. So, in first round, it is taking 60 minutes. In first round, it is taking 60 minutes. So, second round, it will take 60 plus 60. So, third round, it will take 60 plus 60 plus 60. So, it will be 180 minutes. Okay. So, long hand of a clock will take 180 minutes to complete 3 rounds. Now, how many minutes after 4:30 is 5:30? Now, let us say this. How many minutes after 4:30 is 5:30? Suppose now it is 4:30. So, when it is 4:30, the hour hand will be somewhere in between 4 and 5. And the minute hand will be at 6. So, now it is 4:30. So, how much time will it take? Will it be when it is 5:30? That means this minute hand has to move again from here to here. And this hour hand will come to 5. So, when the minute hand is moving, is taking a complete 1 round, that means it is taking 60 minutes, isn't it? If a minute hand completes full 1 round, it is taking 60 minutes or 1 hour. So, they are asking here how many minutes after 4:30 is 5:30. So, 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Alright. Now, okay. Mala goes for a walk at 6 in the evening. Mala goes for a walk at 6 in the evening. She finishes walking at 7. So, started at 6, finished off at 7. How long did she walk? From 6 to 7. Now, again 6. When it is 6, the hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand will be at 12. Now, she has walked till 7 in the evening. So, that means again this minute hand will complete 1 round. It will come to 7 and this hour hand will come to, minute hand will come to 12 and this hour hand will come to 7. So, it is taking again 1 round. That means again 60 minutes or 1 hour. So, here also we can write 60 minutes or 1 hour. Alright. Now, Binoy practices piano for 2 hours every day, 5 times a week. How many hours does he practice in a week? So, 2 hours in 1 day. Every day in a week means 1 day. So, 2 hours every day in a week means how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So, when they are practicing 2 hours for 7 days, that means 2 into 7. It will be 14 days. So, Binoy practice piano for 2 hours. How many hours does it? How many hours does he practice? Binoy practice piano for 2 hours, 5 times a week. Okay, how many hours does he practice? Sorry, the question I just read wrong. So let's do the correction. Here they are saying Binoy practices piano for 2 hours every day, 5 times a week. So 2 into 5 equals to 10. Okay. Binoy practices piano for 2 hours every day, 5 times a week. How many hours does he practice in a week? So he is practicing 10 hours. Okay? Again, 10. At 10:30, the hour hand of a clock will be between. At 10:30, the hour hand of the clock will be in between. So 10:30, hour hand means the small one. 10:30, the minute hand will be at 6 because this is 30 minutes. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, this is 25, this is 30 minutes. So the minute hand will be at 6. Now the hour hand will be between 10 and 11. Alright. So we will do till here question number 10, and I would like to tell you that you can practice to read the clock face at your home. Take the help of your parents. Ask them what time it is so that you can learn whatever we have done today in the class. It will be easy for you. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.